Yo, welcome back to my channel. Today we got some exciting things going on for the Supra, and it's these boxes behind me right here. Now I've been busy unfortunately, so I haven't been able to get to them as quickly as I'd like to. So let's not wait any longer and start unboxing. This exhaust is from RK Titanium. They have a variety of setups like dual exit and single exit, but the one I went with in particular is signature single exit. Now they have track edition version of this exhaust too, but the only difference is the muffler, and instead of having a muffler, it just goes straight out for more efficiency. And the weight is very minuscule. It's only like 2 pounds difference, I believe. But either way, I guarantee you this is going to be way lighter than the OEM. So I'm looking forward to that. I can't wait to get this on. All right, you guys don't want to hear me blabber on like this. So let's get to the install. Hey guys, before we begin, I just want to mention a couple of things to you guys. First thing, thank you very much for everyone that have shown support on my video. Second thing is, please know that I'm not a certified mechanic. This video is only for entertainment purposes. Please work on your vehicles at your own risk. I'm a dancing clown. So that being said, let's get back to the Supra. All right, so we're on the passenger side of the engine bay, and what we're gonna do now is take off the O2 sensors that are connected to the downpipe. And how we're gonna do that is we're gonna slide this gray tab towards the driver's side and then press it down, pull the whole thing away towards the driver's side, just like that. Now underneath the connectors, there's another tab that you have to disconnect. And how you can do that is you can take a pick tool, or you can get a flathead, press on this gray tab right here, press it towards your left, like kind of towards the interior, and then slide that towards the driver's side. And just like that, the connector is off. And you do the same thing on that blue tab right next to it. Once you have your connectors disconnected, follow that line. And what you want to do next is take that wire off of that tab. I think you can just slide that off. And then same for this tab back here too. Wiggle it, give it a nudge like that, and then just slide the wire out like that. Underneath the car, what I'm gonna do is disconnect the downpipe and the exhaust. This is the exhaust, there's the downpipe here. And we're gonna take a 13 mil. Hope I can get this for you clearly. You're gonna wanna take that bolt there. That's a 13 mil. That's also a 13 mil. We'll just screw that and get it loosened. So the next thing I'm going to loosen is the V-band clamp here, right there. That should be a 13 mil too. I'm going to try to get this in a time lapse for you guys, but if I can't, just know that's what's going on. Loosen those 2 bolts up there, those 2 nuts right by the O2 sensors. You want to, that should be a 13 mil as well. So I got the downpipe loosened up. I tried my best to film as much as I could down there for you guys, but I don't have proper lighting and my car is not on the proper lift, so it's really difficult to do that. What I'm gonna do is start tackling the stock exhaust, loosen that up, and I think it'll be a lot easier to take the downpipe off there. Got the brace off. This is kind of interesting to me. So this entire stock exhaust is one piece. Typically it's 2 or maybe 3. I don't know about you guys, but this is the first time I've seen it in one piece. But anyways, I think I got everything pretty much loosened up front. I need to loosen this hanger here and the other side. And since I am working by myself in the garage, I've got these jack stands under the muffler, so if it falls, the jack stand should catch them. So I'm gonna go ahead and take this exhaust valve harness off. Since we're going single exit exhaust, I won't be needing that. And when I disconnect it, I'll probably tuck it back in here where the wire is. Guys, it's finally off. Look at that. This whole thing is just one piece. This thing weighs 55 pounds versus the 12-pound RK. Pretty impressive. Titanium everything, baby. Let's start taking off these rubber bushings and then start transferring them over. And here's the hangers on standby. I'm gonna put them back because at least we need one for the muffler. The rest of it, I'll just put it back. Hangers back on, and I went ahead and tucked in that exhaust valve harness right in there. I'll let you guys know if I get some kind of error message about it, but I don't think it will. Finally got the V-band off. I was beginning to worry if I was going to be able to or not, but here it is. Big comparison. So now that we have everything off, we're gonna transfer those O2 sensors onto the new one. The gray one should line up here, and then the black cable should go up here. Got the cables transferred, and I almost forgot to transfer the gasket, but we're gonna go and do that right now. When you're putting these sensors back in, you can't really go wrong. They're different size and colors too. And just do everything in reverse. Okay, I got everything connected from downpipe. Now, I'm pretty sure I'm gonna have to trim this to make it fit. I just want to point out that plastic is really brittle, and what I used to cut that was this gardening snipping tool, and it actually worked out really well. And I think I'm going to go ahead and use the rotary tool to clean up the edges. Everything is in loosely, but check that out, guys. Kind of gives you an idea. Now, because it's loosened, it's not centered correctly, so I'm gonna have to finagle with everything underneath it. But I think what I'm gonna do is put the under brakes back in, so I have a better idea of how to position it. guys. Everything is all in there now. Now we just want to clean up this exhaust before we fire it up, because if you have any of your fingerprint on here and it gets hot, your fingerprint will forever get baked on this, and you don't want that. So doing a final cleanup before we turn it on. Here's the moment of truth, guys. I'm gonna fire it up and hopefully everything's all tidied up. Here we go. Yo, that was crazy. It sounded so good. And I haven't done an exhaust mod in like 10 years. So that was pretty refreshing. I'm gonna take this back on the ground and then I'll drive it around the town. Unfortunately, it's rush hour right now, so I can't just go guns blazing around the city. So I'll probably save that for another weekend or something. I don't have a phone mount inside for me to take you guys along the ride. I have to get that figured out soon, but yeah, I'm gonna drive it around and then get back to you guys and see what it's like. Okay, we're not quite done yet. We gotta take care of that hole on the passenger side of the bumper now. And that's what this is. It's like a block off plate. And kind of sticking to the whole titanium theme, we got the HPS titanium coolant bleed screw. First thing I'm gonna do is take some isopropyl alcohol and clean up this area before I apply any adhesion promoter. Gonna start taking off these double-sided tape areas. And by the way, if anybody's wondering, I got these from OEM Plus Mods. They make a lot of great parts for the A90 Supra. You should go and check them out. And no, I'm not sponsored by them. This is all out of my pocket, folks. Came out pretty good. Love the color. It matches the diffuser nicely. just got back from driving my car. I could feel so much difference already, and not just in sound too. I could feel it in the weight. I could hear the turbo a lot more significantly. I assume that's because of the catless downpipe. The weight difference is what I feel the most. Probably, you know, taking off the muffler and the downpipe, but it sounds so good. I can't wait till during the weekend or something. I gotta get used to catless downpipe again. It's been a while. Like I'm used to breathing clean air basically. So when I'm driving and smelling this, it hits my senses, but it is nothing I can't get used to. But yeah, I think I'm pretty happy with the setup. This is my weekend fun car, so I don't really care about the noise level and the smell. Man, I really want to take you guys for a ride, but I haven't figured out a way to put my camera inside the car yet. I'll get that sorted out for sure. This catless downpipe and RK titanium signature exhaust, highly recommend. If you guys have any questions or comments regarding this video, hit me up in the comments. And as always, like and subscribe. Hope to see you guys again next time. See you guys.